Welcome to Tech Town, your town to build. Press on location. Press on sandbox. Would you like to teleport to sandbox? Yes. This is where you can build our sandbox. Follow me. You can build anything you want in the sandbox. Today, you need to build a table for your restaurant. I am making a hamburger restaurant table. Go to build. Open, go to build again. Or Control E for short. Pick this shape. Decide where and press. The shape appears. Close the box. Right-click on the mouse and edit. These arrows will make it bigger or small. Press Shift, Control, and you get done. Now we have a leg. We need a surface, a table. Build, build. Circle. Let's go. Right-click, edit. Let's turn it around. Press Control and turn it around. Excellent. Let's lift it up. Blue is up. Control and turn it around. Let's make it bigger. Shift. Control, Shift, and stretch. And stretch. Beautiful. Let's take it to our base. We need to move it. We need to move it. Right-click, edit. Move it. We need to move it. Right-click, edit. Let's check it out. Our table is almost done. We need to put it together. Check from all sides until you are happy with your table. Yay! We have a hamburger table. Not finished yet. Now we have to link the two parts. Touch the top and Control touch the base Both are yellow. Yellow, yellow. Go here and press link. See link? Now they are together. What color should our hamburger table be? Do you want a brown hamburger table? If you want a different color, right-click, edit, texture, color, and click on any color. Maybe tomato, a red table. Help! Help! I can't eat my hamburger. The table is too high. Help! Help! I can't eat my hamburger. The table is too low. Wow! This table is just right. Perfect for eating hamburgers. Now, you build me a better table. Something for pizza, maybe.